What's up, you guys? We are Keith and Hannah. Welcome back to the channel.
Today is a super exciting day because it's our first day living in the van.
Yep.
We technically left home yesterday, but we stayed the night at my aunt's house last night, and we didn't sleep in the van. So today is the first real day. It's going to be the first real night, and we're super excited. And
we are starting the day by, well, I guess it's afternoon now, but we are going into Target because there's a couple things that we don't have that we need to get.
And we don't live near a Target.
No.
Our hometown does not have a Target, so we had to drive a little bit to get to Target.
So now we're at Target. We're about to go in and see what we can find, I guess, and then we're headed out today and hopefully going to get around St. Louis tonight. So
yes, and right now this is technically the first time that we're leaving Chloe in the van. So we're going to get her all set up.
Yeah. We're
going to turn on the air for her, and we're hoping that this goes well.
I feel like she will probably cry, but
she probably will, but let's do it. So many of you probably know we have an air conditioner, and we're doing our best to keep it as cool as possible. We don't really like leaving Chloe in here, but we're doing it because she can't go into Target, and there's not a store near us that she can go into for us to get the stuff that we need. So we're just going to put up the window covers, and hopefully that will keep it a little bit cooler. They are insulated, but we think this is probably just the best way to do it for right now. Come on, go to your bed. Go to your bed. That's a good girl. You guys stay in here and take a nap, okay?
it's kind of dangerous us coming into Target right now because we had no idea what we were coming in for. And so far, I'm really proud of us. I think we've stuck to a pretty tight budget. So far we've got some plates and a little handheld vacuum. And now we're just kind of walking around and seeing what we can find.
That Simple Human one's a lot smaller.
Yeah.
This one.
I like that one.
I do too. Wow. Hi, Silly.
Silly girl, you did so good. That's a good job. You did so good.
Well, before we head out, we're gonna do a quick little Target haul. For starters, we got a little dustpan and broom. Some new bowls. We went with some plastic ones so that they don't break. I will also say these are made of recycled plastic, so that made me feel better. Some plates to match. We got gray and this. Is this pink?
It's pink.
Pink. We got some Dr. Bronner's soap. So we just got the little travel size to try it out. And we got ourselves a trash can on sale. $5 off. Little vacuum, $10 off. We really bargain shop today. Some scoops so we can have some chips and salsa later. Also on sale, 2 for $5. Some trash bags to fit the trash can. We got some baby wipes so we can wipe our feet off and stuff before we go to bed. Some rice. Got some potatoes. Hannah got a new hairbrush. Some bread. And
now we have to figure out where it all goes.
Now we gotta put it up. Well, I think we found home for the night.
We're at a little trailhead in Illinois. We saw it on iOverlander, and we thought,
why not try it?
Why not try it? Some people, there was one person who said that they had someone come and tell them to leave, and then everyone else said that they had a really good experience.
It looks like overlooks this lake.
Yeah, and really it nice. Doesn't, I mean, it looks like a trailhead, but it also doesn't. And it says on the sign, primitive camping, so we're thinking that may be us.
It should be.
So I guess we're just going to try our luck, but now that we've driven an hour away from Indy, it's time for dinner.
And we're going to make some taco salad, and they've got like a little, some like picnic tables, pavilion, and they've got a couple outlets out there. So we're gonna make dinner outside and
Using their power.
and cut up some fruit for tomorrow.
Taco salad is our classic at-home meal. We've been eating it for like the last 2 years, how we make it now, and it's only fitting for our first night on the road.
And now we get to make the bed for the first time.
And we get to play Skip-Lo.
It's gonna be a lot of...
That's the most important thing here.
It is the most important thing. Gotta break the van in right.
Exactly.
Good morning. Last night was a pretty good night's sleep, I think.
I think it was a really good night's sleep. For
Yeah.
the first time in the van,
It started out
was-
hot, but we felt pretty comfortable, and then actually throughout the night we got cold.
this morning I woke up really cold.
Yeah.
So overall, I would say that's a pretty good night's sleep.
Yeah.
I went to bed pretty comfortably.
Yeah. We slept
Woke up cold, but
throughout the
that's-
night.
Yeah, I slept the whole night.
Me
so
too. So
I feel good about that.
this morning we went ahead and left the campsite or trailhead or whatever you want to call it we were at, because there was not like a good bathroom situation for Hannah. As we were going down the road, we saw these signs that say like world's largest like mailbox and like different things. So we came to this little town to kind of see what that's all about.
And I mean, they're just kind of spread out. We've driven through the town just to get here to park, and they're kind of spread out throughout the town, so we're just gonna walk around and see what we see. It's supposed to be like a pretty quick stop, but I mean, it was a mile off of the road, so we figured why not?
So we're in Casey, Illinois, and
This stuff is huge.
this is crazy. It's just so strange. It's in just this little small town, but
Look at this rocking
the
chair.
rocking chair I think is the most impressive.
Look at this rocking chair.
So we've gathered that if you're passing through Casey, Illinois, it's definitely worth a stop. It's not very far off of 70, and there's so many cool little things to see here. I think it's definitely
good
worth
for like a little hour or hour and a half off the road.
it. Yeah.
It's nice to take a little break.
Yeah, there's a lot to see.
I think it
and
was fun.
If we're here on Sunday, so if it wasn't Sunday, there's a lot of like little local
Yeah.
restaurants and coffee shops. So
It would definitely be worth just
Yeah.
stopping off for like an hour.
I would definitely recommend it. But now it's time to get back in the van and get to St. Louis today.
We finally made it to St. Louis.
And it took us a little bit to find a parking spot we could fit into. Once we got out, we were greeted by a lovely man who was asking for money. But we are on our way up to the arch right now. Super excited to see it.
Me too. The best part about this so far is that the walk is actually shaded to get to the arch, which is really good for Chloe because she's been pretty hot today, but she loves to go on a walk. So we can't deprive her of the things that she loves. And now she's just having the time of her life.
Happy little pup.
We came back to the van for lunch because we haven't eaten since pretty early this morning. But I would definitely say if you're coming to St. Louis, this is worth stopping for. I mean, we just spent, I think, like an hour and a half out there just walking around, looking at everything that's around, like the whole park area, and it was really cool.
Yeah, and if you want to spend the money on going up and like waiting in lines and stuff,
I think that would be really cool. It was sold out today, and we didn't really want to spend the money on it.
And we have Chloe, so it just kind of added a little, I don't know.
A little bit of a challenge, but I definitely think it would be worth it because everybody came off of it like, wow, that was really cool.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have lunch now and probably get back on the road.
Yeah, I'm not sure how far we're going today, but
we'll see.
We'll see.
What do you think of our little camp spot back here?
Well, Chloe's excited about it. I think it's pretty good. Very remote, very quiet.
I think we'll be by ourselves for the whole night.
Yeah, and it's very level, so we don't have to worry about that.
Oh, good point. Didn't even think about that.
I think it'll be nice.
This is gonna be an inside kind of night, and it's gonna look a lot like last night. We're having taco salad again, so that we can use up the lettuce before it goes bad. So we're gonna make that really quick, and we got these new little flour tortilla bowls to try. So, I don't know, we're just gonna see how that goes, and we'll update you when we're ready for dinner. Right, Chloe girl?
Chef's kiss.
Just like that, our first full day on the road is over.
And
I can't believe it.
We're exhausted.
It was a really good first day, but I'm really tired.
And we got ourselves a new little fan, so I think we're gonna sleep even better tonight.
I think we will too. It was a really good day. We're gonna get at least halfway through Kansas tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. But I think we're ready to close out this video.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like this video. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.